Are you struggling to reach new customers? Do you want to increase your online visibility? If so, look no further than Facebook ads. With over 2 billion active users, Facebook offers unparalleled reach. Not to mention, its targeting options are incredibly advanced. Facebook ads allow you to target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors. You can even target people who have visited your website before. This means your ads are reaching people who are most likely to be interested. And because users spend an average of 58 minutes on Facebook per day, you have ample opportunity to grab their attention. Facebook ads also offer a variety of ad formats. You can choose from video ads, image ads, carousel ads, and more. You can run ads on both Facebook and Instagram. And with the integration of Facebook Pixel, you can track conversions and optimize your ads for better results. Facebook ads are also relatively affordable. You can set a daily budget and choose how much you want to spend per click or per impression. Plus, you can pause or adjust your ads at any time. Facebook ads are particularly effective for small businesses. They allow you to compete with larger companies on a level playing field. And because Facebook ads are highly targeted, you can improve your return on investment. Facebook ads are also ideal for promoting events. You can create event-specific ads and target people in the area. Facebook ads can also help you reach new audiences. You can use lookalike audiences to reach people similar to your existing customers. Additionally, Facebook ads can help build brand recognition. Your ads will appear in users' news feeds, helping them become familiar with your brand. Facebook ads also offer a variety of call-to-action buttons. You can direct users to your website, ask them to like your page, or even download an app. Not to mention, Facebook ads are easy to create. You can create and launch an ad in a matter of minutes. Overall, Facebook ads are an essential tool for any business looking to expand its reach and increase conversions. So if you haven't tried Facebook ads yet, now is the time to start.